Hello, I'm again with the chapter Plant Growth and Development. It is for class 11 students. Here I'm going to discuss about photoperiodism. So let's move to the slide here. Photoperiodism is the response of plants to the day and night. That means response of a plant towards the length of light or exposure to light. Photo means light, periodism means length. Okay. Some plants require a period here exposure to light. Some plants need lights for that physiological process, especially the flowering. Some flowers are bloomed when it exposed to light. Second one is it has also seen plants are able to measure duration of exposure to light. Plants bear the length of light and it can measure the length of light. That means the flowers can only bloom at, at the exposure of light. When light is not available, the flower is unable to bloom. Okay, so it can measure the length of the light. And some plants require exposure to light for a period exceeding a well-defined critical duration. Here the critical duration is exposure of light to a certain time period, that is called as critical period. Beyond that critical period, that means the plant is able to bear uh, that optimum or critical duration of light, and some plants are unbearable to that light. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. While others must be exposed to light for a period less than this critical duration before flowering is initiated in them. Okay, second point I have mentioned here, the plant groups which can expose to light beyond the critical duration is long day plants. Long day plants here, long day plants, they can bear exposure to light beyond critical length. Okay, on critical duration. That means they can resist a long time on the light. That's why it is long day plants. While on the other hand, there is another type of plant, that is short day plant, or yeah, short day plant. This is the short day plant. Those unable to bear critical duration are exposed less time to light, called as short day plant. Okay, photoperiodism, according to the photoperiodism, this is the two types of plants, and another plant is there called as day neutral plant. They don't need light exposure or darkness for blooming of the flower. Photoperiodism. Okay, now here the plants which has no correlation with exposure. Sorry, 1 minute. Here, this is the exposure is U. The plants which has no correlation between exposure to light duration and induction of flowering response are called day neutral plant. Day neutral plant doesn't have any response towards light. Got it? I think you got it. And in this last point I have written here, the response of plants to periods of day or night is termed as photoperiodism. That means this is the definition, the response of plants of day or night is termed as photoperiodism. Plants are responding to the presence or absence or duration of light exposure. That is called as photoperiodism, and according to the photoperiodism, the plant's flowering occurs, and it is of three types of plants. Okay, one is long day plant. Yeah, long day plant, short day plant, and third one is day neutral plant. Okay, this is the three kinds of plants according to the photoperiodism. I hope you get clear all about this photoperiodism. Thank you for watching. Bye.